Anurag. So Krishna is smiling, he's smiling, gopis are remembering. If you love someone very dearly, then you'll remember different aspects of their personality which really strike you and really impress upon you. So usually we remember the face and smile and eyes of our beloved, because the face and eyes of our lover or beloved, husband or wife, our dearest, they convey so much of the mind and heart's feelings and attachment. Mind, the face is the index of the mind. You can measure the mind by the face. So the gopis are remembering that face, and Krishna is smiling, everyone smiles, but Krishna smiles, it says anuraga smita. Krishna's smiling is full of anurag. And these are words, it means anu means continuous, and rag means passion. Continuous passion or continuous unbreaking color. The color of the gopis' hearts, the intensity of their love and Krishna's love for them is going on. Anu means it's going on and on. It's ever expanding. So Anuraga, Krishna looks at the gopis with Anuraga Smita. He's smiling. His smile is in such a way that it conveys, his smile is giving a message to the gopis that I love you so much. Sneha, man, pranaya, rag, anurag. There's a very high degree of intense love and the madhurya rati of Radha and Krishna.